Namaskar. I am Vinay Shankar, working as Assistant Professor in the University School of Mass Communication at Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, New Delhi. I welcome you to the module that deals with cinema in the age of digital media. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand how cinema adopted new technology in filmmaking, examine how digital technology has shaped the cinema, learn how cinema adopted digital platforms, comprehend various digital formats used in the workflow of filmmaking. Cinema came into being in the last decade of 19th century. In the early years, the novelty of moving image itself was a big attraction for people and it brought in an audience. Before the novelty value of the moving image could fade away, the early filmmakers were ready with different variety of content. Their innovations made sure that within a span of few years, cinema became an important element of popular culture in the world. The content, the form and the technology of cinema has continued to evolve over the years. In its history of slightly more than 100 years, cinema has experienced several changes. The introduction of talkies itself was a massive shift for the viewers and the creators alike. It happened in 1920s. In the middle of the century, popularization of television and video drove the audience away from cinema halls. The filmmakers were then forced to try out new innovations in their content. They came up with larger than life treatment of their subjects. The use of multi-track sound and cinemascope image helped them to create a larger than life world on the large screen. Several other technological changes have also been happening in the background, which have changed the way filmmakers work. Area of these changes spanned across different departments of film production business. These changes have been in the quality of cameras, sound recording technology, quality of film, projection techniques, sound playback systems, editing techniques, etc. In recent decades, the digital technology has brought several changes into the way cinema is created and how it is experienced. In his work, Cinema in Digital Age, Nicholas Romber observes that the rise of digital has changed not only the way films are made, but the ways they are watched, thought, and dreamed about. Cinema, how it works. Let us first discuss the meaning and working of the cinema medium, a medium which has been the most influential element of popular culture in last century. The cinema was based on the twin technology of recording the still images with the help of photochemical films and recording and projecting multiple images in quick succession to create a sense of movement. As I said earlier, the techniques of cinema went through several improvements over the years, but this basic remained the same. The series of rapidly changing still images in combination with the soundtrack was used to narrate various kinds of fictional and non-fictional stories. The influence of these stories on our society has been wide and deep. Decoding digital. Now let us also discuss the meaning of digital technology whose impact we are going to study. As per the textbooks, digital describes electronic technology that generates, stores and processes data in terms of two states, positive and non-positive. Positive is expressed or represented by the number 1 and non-positive by the number 0. Thus, data transmitted or stored with digital technology is expressed as a string of zeros and ones. Each of these state digits is referred to as a bit. For a user, this translates into better quality of recording and transmission and more efficient use of data. Prior to this, analog technology was in use. The digital technology has changed the entire system or workflow of film production. The image, sound recording, editing, distribution and exhibition, everything in the digital era is nothing like earlier. Due to this, there have been subtle changes on the storytelling style and grammar of the film. Now let us discuss in a little detail different aspects of film production and where digital technology brings about a change. As we discussed earlier, that film production techniques have been constantly improving. Changes over the years. One of the important changes was introduction of sound in cinema. In its initial years, films were without sound, but from 1920s, sound became an integral part of cinema. The introduction of sound opened up new possibilities for filmmakers. Similarly, there were changes in the quality of film stock. The film material at the initial stage was quite inflammable, but later on it developed to overcome that limitation and risk. The film stock also improved to allow better recording in low light and high contrast situations. The high speed and fine grained film enabled the filmmakers to shoot with more flexibility. Italian neorealism made use of these techniques in their stories. Availability of lighter cameras and audio recording equipment around the middle of the last century had a direct impact on the content of films. The directors of the French New Wave cinema used these innovations to their advantage. Their cameras could explore the personal spaces of their characters with more intimacy, thus bringing a new experience on the cinema screen. Projection and sound playback systems also went through several improvements over the years, but the essential technology remained the same, wherein the films were shot on a film negative and audio was recorded separately on a magnetic tape. The film negative was a strip of plastic material with a series of photochemical impressions. Editing. At the editing stage, the audio and visual were matched and unnecessary recordings were discarded to put together a sequence as per the best judgment of the director. The director was the chief visualizer and architect of the entire creative venture. Once the editing was finalized, the final cut of the motion picture and the accompanying audio would be duplicated and several copies of it would be made. These bulky copies would be then transported physically to screening venues spread across the country and beyond. For a big release of a commercial film, it would mean transporting thousands of copies to as many venues. Then, on a designated date, after sufficient promotional build-up, the film would be screened for a paying audience. If a particular film was in huge demand, the prints would be transported to smaller stations after screenings at bigger, more lucrative stations. This is how film production has been going on and constantly evolving over last 100 years. We talked about a few important changes over the years. There have been several more. Now let us talk about the impact of digital technology, how it all started and how it changed the entire scenario of filmmaking.